Amazon Buy Shipping is a tool available to sellers who handle fulfillment of their own products. This is called Fulfilled by Merchant, or FBM. When you receive an order and prepare to ship it to your customer, you have a few options. You can ship your order with a carrier of your choice and confirm that the product is on its way to your customer by providing a tracking ID, or you can use Amazon Buy Shipping. Amazon Buy Shipping lets you purchase and print shipping labels and automatically confirms and tracks shipping in Seller Central, as well as some third-party tools. Amazon takes care of your shipping details and provides recommendations for shipping services in our network of trusted carriers that are highly likely to deliver on time, fit your preferences, and offer the lowest available cost. This can help you provide your customers with the fast, reliable shipping they love. Amazon Buy Shipping also helps safeguard your performance metrics, which impact your account health. Good account health is essential to remaining an active seller in the Amazon store. When selecting your carrier with Amazon Buy Shipping, you'll see the option to purchase shipping labels marked as OTDR protected. OTDR, or on-time delivery rate, measures how often your products are delivered by the promised delivery date you set. By using a shipping label that is OTDR protected, your on-time delivery rate will not be impacted, even if your shipment arrives late. Note that you will need to have shipping settings automation and automated handling time on the shipping settings page enabled to take advantage of OTDR protected labels. Learn more about these tools by searching Shipping Settings Automation and Automated Handling Time in Seller Central. Amazon Buy Shipping can also protect you against A to Z guarantee claims related to delivery issues. We will cover the cost of these claims and stop them from impacting your OTDR if you purchased a shipping label marked as claims protected. Making sure all your shipments have valid tracking numbers is another important step that Amazon Buy Shipping helps support. We automatically upload tracking information for all orders that use Amazon Buy Shipping, which helps you maintain your valid tracking rate, or VTR, and makes it easy for you and your customer to see where an order is in the delivery process. To learn how to use Amazon Buy Shipping for your next order, search Using Amazon Buy Shipping for seller-fulfilled orders on Seller Central.